Today we're going to learn how to color change in the round. Let's get started. We're going to start by doing our last single crochet stitch before the color change. For the last pull through of that stitch, the stitch before the color change, you want to add in your new color. You want to secure that tail end behind, and then when you're working your next stitch in your new color, you're going to work through the stitch plus the first color that you originally had. See how we're working through all three pieces there? We've got the two pieces of our stitch plus that yarn that we're going to carry with us. Now to change back, you're going to use your first color of yarn and pull through on that last pull through. So this happens just before you're told to color change, and then you're going to complete your stitch as normal. There you go, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.